If you're using PhonePe application and if you're wondering how to start SIP in PhonePe, then this video is for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open PhonePe application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is going to be same. Now, once the application is completely started, on homepage itself, go down and look for mutual fund section, select that, and it will take you basically to mutual fund page. Over here, you get multiple things. You can check out funds which are in focus. So you can swipe like this and you can check out all the funds. If you go down, there are some categories. If you want to check out best SIP funds, you can select this option. If you want to start an SIP with 100 rupees, that is the minimum investment if you want to do, you can select start with 100 rupees. So if you select that, you will be able to check out all the SIPs which you can start just with rupees 100. Again, there are some high growth funds over here. If you go down in more for you, there are some top companies. In that you can check out funds which are from top companies over here, and you can also check out trending themes, tax saver funds, new fund offering. Now if you select tax saver funds, it is nothing else but ELSS funds, and in ELSS funds there is a lock-in period of 3 years, so keep that in mind. But yeah, you can save, you can invest in that and you can save tax up to 46,800 rupees. That is in PhonePe. For now, if I want to start SIP with 100 rupees, I'm going to select this option. But if you already know about a specific fund in which you want to invest, you can directly search that fund over here in search tab. So as I said, let's start an SIP with 100 rupees. That is the minimum investment. If you select that option, again, you can check out funds which you can start with 100 rupees. Now, if you want to check details for any fund, you can tap on more details option. And in that, it will give you the growth graph. Now, currently it is set to 5 years. So in 5 years, this fund has got a growth of 29%. If you can just apply the filter of 3 years, 1 year, you can check out what is the growth over here. Now, if you go down, now over here you can see there is a minimum investment amount for SIP 100 rupees and for one time 100. So we are going to start SIP. I'm going to cover that later. In fund details, you can check out all the details. What is the fund size, when it was launched, you can check out the type, it is flexi cap. And in NAV, basically this is the net asset value of one unit, which is 1992.61. And if you are going to invest 100 rupees, then you are going to get a fraction of that fund. So yeah, you can check all those details over here. Now there is an expense ratio of 1.42%. Now if you don't know what is expense ratio, it is actually the fees of fund manager. And in PhonePe, the expense ratio is around 1.42%. But if you check out some other applications like Grow or Zerodha and Dhan, you will also find expense ratio below 1%. So always try to see that expense ratio is less than 1%, but in PhonePe, usually it is around 1.42%. Now in plan type, you can see it is a regular fund, and also there is no direct fund option in PhonePe application. Now in this particular fund, risk is very high, and minimum investment, as I said, it is 100 rupees, and exit load is of 1% if redeemed within 1 year. So if you redeem the fund after 1 year, there won't be any charges, but if you redeem it within 1 year, then there will be a charge of 1%. Down here, you can also calculate your returns. You can also calculate for SIP and also for one-time investment. Now, once your fund is finalized, you can simply tap on proceed to invest option, and on the next page, you need to select SIP if you want to start SIP, but if you want to do one-time investment, select one time over here, enter the amount and select invest now. But we are going to start SIP, so we are going to select monthly SIP over here. You can enter the investment amount. I'm going to start with 100. If you want to invest 500 or 1000 or 2000 or 5000, you can enter the amount over here. Now, once you enter the amount, make sure to select SIP date. Now, currently it is set to 10th of every month. If you want to change it, you can simply tap on another date and choose select option. Now you can see date has been changed. Now let's tap on invest now. Over here, you need to enter your PAN details. Once you do that, you can go ahead. Now once you verify your PAN card details, on the next page, it will ask you to enter your email ID, and you can choose your date of birth, you can choose gender, you need to enter your father's name, you need to select annual income. If you want to add nominee, you can enter nominee name over here. You need to select nominee's age. You can also select nominee relationship with the nominee, and you have to enter last 4 digit of nominee's Aadhaar card. So you need some documents of nominee so that you can fill this. Once everything is done, select proceed to payment option. Now I have entered all the details. Let's select proceed to payment option. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. So enter the OTP and select submit. Now once you enter OTP, it will take you to autopay setting page. Now over here, we need to complete the transaction. Before that, you can change the bank account if you want to. If I tap on change and if I select some other account, let's say if I want to select my IndusInd Bank. Select the bank, select apply option. You will be able to see the selected bank over here and simply tap on invest and start SIP option. Now, the amount which I need to pay is 100. Let's enter 6-digit UPI pin and complete the transaction. Now you can see I have completed the transaction and it is saying that SIP of 100 with autopay is set to 5th of every month starting from 5th of September 2025. So simply tap on done option. Now usually it takes 1 or 2 days of time to showcase your SIP over here in the mutual fund. So after that, if the process is complete, you can come back to PhonePe, you can go in mutual fund and you can check out your portfolio over here, right? So this is how simple it is to start SIP in PhonePe application. And before investing, always try to research about that particular fund. Don't forget to check out each and every details so that there won't be any problem in the future. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.